In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new company using Spreadsheet Sync in QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you want to connect Excel with your QuickBooks Online Advanced company, this setup process is very straightforward. The goal here is to link your new company file so you can begin using Spreadsheet Sync smoothly and securely. As you follow along, make sure you have access to QuickBooks Online Advanced and Microsoft Excel on your computer, because you'll use both during the setup. To begin, sign into QuickBooks Online Advanced and go to the gear icon. In some cases, you may also be able to access the same feature through reports. From there, select Spreadsheet Sync. This is the tool that creates the connection between QuickBooks and Excel, allowing you to work with your accounting data in a spreadsheet environment while staying connected to your company information. Once you open Spreadsheet Sync, click Let's Go. This starts the setup experience and prepares the connection process. At this point, QuickBooks will prompt you to open Microsoft Excel. Go ahead and open Excel when prompted. If Excel doesn't open automatically, you can launch it manually and continue the setup from there. It's important to use the desktop version of Excel if your organization requires add-ins to run properly. When Excel opens, you'll see a prompt for the Spreadsheet Sync add-in. Select Trust this add-in. This step is important because it allows Excel to communicate with QuickBooks securely. If you skip this, the connection won't be established, so make sure you approve the add-in when that message appears. After trusting the add-in, sign in using your Intuit user ID and password. Be sure to use the account associated with your QuickBooks Online Advanced access. For security reasons, always enter your credentials directly into the official sign-in window and avoid sharing login details with anyone. If your company uses additional verification steps, complete those as needed to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked to choose a company to connect. Select your newly created company file to link the spreadsheet. This is the final step that ties Spreadsheet Sync to the correct QuickBooks company, so take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one, especially if you manage multiple businesses under the same login. After the company is selected, the spreadsheet is linked and your setup is complete. From here, you're ready to start using Spreadsheet Sync with your new QuickBooks Online Advanced company. This connection can make reporting and working in Excel much more efficient, especially if you prefer reviewing financial data in a spreadsheet format.